Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can solve or fix the product activation failed error in MS Word or Microsoft Word in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will begin with opening our File Explorer. So if you have your File Explorer in your desktop, just simply make a double tap on that, or in the taskbar, double tap on that also. And if you haven't, then just simply go to your Windows search tab and then type file. There you will see under Best Match the File Explorer option. So once you click on that, it will automatically open the File Explorer or the Windows Explorer. So here in this left navigation pane, please go to the This PC option, or you can just directly go to your C drive if you are seeing your C drive. So please go to your C drive, and then there we need to look for program files or program files x86. So please go first with the program files, and once we see here the Microsoft folder or Microsoft Office folder, just like this one, then all you need to do is just to double click on that. And then once it is already open, then we will proceed with the Office 16 or Office 15. If you have Office 15 option, then you can also do the same. Please double click so that it will be open. And if you see this OSP pre-arm file here or option, all you need to do is just to select it. Once selected, make a right click, and then here you will find this Run as Administrator option. So please do make a click on that, and then it will ask you to, if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So just please make a click on yes, and then a command prompt window will be opening automatically, and then it will also automatically go off or exit. So we will do the same thing 3 times with this software or this file here. So all you need to do is just to go, make a right click again, click on Run as Administrator again, and this user account control window is coming up again. So just please click on yes, and that black window will automatically goes up or comes up, and it will also automatically close. So for the last time, we will do that again. Make a right click here and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on yes, it will open and then close. So once you're done with this one, just close this window. Make a quick restart with your device, and your problem with your Microsoft Word will now be fixed, and you will not be encountering the same error again. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.